Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share with you these beautiful bouquets that I bought at a flea market. Now all this came inside of a bag, and you know what, the lady was selling the bag for $10, but I wasn't going to buy it at $10. What happened was that I bought something else from her for $10. So I asked her if she could come down on the price of the bag of bouquets, and she actually went $5 down. So I really got it for $5. All of these flowers for $5. Now there is a bird in here. See if you can spot it. See if you can spot the bird. It's only one. And you know what? It comes in handy. You know why? Because I have a cage that my friend Esther gave me, and this is the cage right here, and it did not have a bird. So it was a coincidence that I got a bird with these bouquets. So can you spot it? Well, if you don't spot it, I'll spot it for you. It's right here. That little bird came in this bag. It is so funny that I needed one for here. So I'm going to place it in there and see how it fits. I think it does fit. This is a small bird. Look at this. Now these are all the flowers. Look at how beautiful. Now these are inspiring me to make another flower shop. I've made a few flower shops in the past. I even made a flower shop with my granddaughter the last time that she was here. But now that I got new flowers, new bouquets, this would be perfect. A perfect time to make another flower shop. Look at them. So you have single flowers and then you have the bouquets. This is just an old fireplace that I have in my collection. So let's go over, well, let's place this cage here. I want to see, let's see, right there. I hope that you can see. Okay, so let's find the little door, which is this one. It opens by itself right there. And I think the bird is going to fit just right in here. Oy. Okay. Yeah, it did. Look at that. And it wasn't even part of that cage. When I saw the bag, I didn't realize there was a little bird in there. I just, spotted it after I started taking everything out. But yes, this came in very handy, this little bird. I needed one for the cage. And I just cannot wait to share with you another flower shop. I'm thinking I might wait till my granddaughter comes back and make it with her. You know what I'm saying? Create a flower shop. I know she loves to do those things. So that's what I might do. I might wait for her to come. She lives very far. But when she does, we can make another flower shop for you. Well, I think that this is it. I hope that you enjoyed this short video. And thank you so much for watching.